Did you know that I was a long-distance runner? At my peak, I ran a 2-hour 55 minutes marathon. The last time I ran was at the Prague and Frankfurt marathons 5 years ago. Maybe I will win a prize for the old-timers, because when there is a medal, I sign up, I join, because that is the way of science. If there is a prize, scientists join. A new study by Brian Utsi and Yifang Ma has shown that this is how science is evolving. If there is a reward, a prize, the field of knowledge develops. If there is no reward, if there is a need for effort and there may not be a reward at the end, then maybe scientists will forsake this field of research. Why bother? Are we that pragmatic scientists? We only want to win prizes? We only want a medal? Brian Utsi published in early October 2021 a new paper which assesses the effects of scientific awards on the development of fields of knowledge. His paper examines whether scientists invest more effort in areas that receive more rewards with money. If there is a prize, speculates he, scientists are probably more crowded and therefore more innovative. Hello, I am Professor Gad Yair, and in my YouTube channel or in my course Land Your Academic Career, you will learn everything you need to know about academia and science careers. I provide you with tips, suggestions and recommendations along with information on new trends in higher education. My course, the link to which is given below, goes deeper and takes a more practical and serious approach. Join me on your journey to land your academic career. Previous studies have shown, for example, that after the award, the research of award winners receives a significant boost in citations. That is, the reward, the prize, enriches both the bank account and the prestige and the long-term impact of scientists. Those unfortunates who do not win their publications will later receive fewer citations. There was also a study that showed that following the Nobel Prize, scientists became celebrities and it is harder for them to persevere in running a working lab. So in this new study, Brian Utsi from Northwestern University and his colleagues Qin Jin and Yifang Ma examined data on 450 prizes which were distributed 29,000 times between 1970 and 2007. These prizes were given in 19 disciplines and 11,500 sub-disciplines. Many awards, many fields of knowledge, enough years to examine dynamics, that is, the effect of the existence of prizes on the development of fields of knowledge. In any case, awarding prizes is positively related to the development of fields of knowledge. The authors made a paired sample in which each area that has an award was attached to an area that does not have one. They collected data on publications and citations, as is usually done in bibliometrics. They found that awarding a prize in a field of knowledge quite dramatically affects 6 aspects. Let us start with scientific productivity. When there is a monetary reward, more scientists flock to the field. 10 years after the start of awarding prizes, the number of publications in the field of knowledge in which a prize is awarded has increased by about 40% compared to paired fields in which there is no prize. Furthermore, having awards increases the number of citations in the field. 10 years later, citations in the field of knowledge that has a prize grow by 1/3 compared to the corresponding field that has no prize. Rather, each award-winning paper receives a 7% boost over the paired sample. Additionally, if there is a monetary reward in the field, leaders will enjoy greater influence, more dominance in the field. Next, an area that has a monetary award attracts more researchers over the years. An award-winning field also manages to retain researchers who remain loyal to the field. Moving on to another field of knowledge or other research problem, let's do so if there is a prize in the background. For this reason, an area that does not have awards has poorer gravity and therefore remain slightly at the edge. Furthermore, research areas with awards see an increase in the number of young researchers joining the field. On the other hand, areas that do not have awards or prizes, well, these seem to young people like a deserted desert. They avoid entering to the discipline. And finally, areas where there are scientific awards are also joined by senior researchers, not just young people. In award-winning fields, we see a 47% increase in the number of senior scientists who crowd into the field. They flock like butterflies to a lamp. These findings make a lot of sense. In general, scientists want fame. And if not fame, then research dollars. In any case, a scientific area that has significant prizes attracts a lot of scholars, young and old. But this is also how scientific dynamics are created. As the field becomes more crowded, competitive dynamics are beginning to increase, which is likely to yield scientific innovation, because there is no space. No, you have to innovate, because everyone wants a prize, and to win a prize you have to do something that changes everything for everyone. That is the basis of innovation, and prizes push it forward. Nice. We learned a little more about science, about the human and the social face of science. Yes, like kids, we all want medals. So if you want to advance science, you must continue to inject budgets for research, but it is also important to add scientific prizes. Each award can motivate more and more young minds to enter into fields of science. The Facebook Award for Mass Communication can motivate the best researchers in the field of mass communication to write more, advise more students, and drive dynamics of excellence into this field of knowledge. Either way, we now understand a little more about the meaning and power of awards and prizes. If you want to create dynamism and innovation in science, you need to create more space for rewards and prizes, for significant awards. Indeed, scientists will tell you that they work for the love of research. But it turns out that at the end of the act of love, awards and prizes increase motivation and productivity, so make room for more of them. If inner desire can be bolstered by external reinforcements, shall we not pursue this course? What is your takeaway? Leave a comment below and subscribe to this channel. And if you truly want to land an academic career, the gate is in the link below. Join my course to land your academic career. Click now. Until next time, I am Professor Gad Yair.